Yeah, another hot one today, guys. It is just about 90 degrees. I'm here in Marietta, Pennsylvania, getting ready to start my day. Gonna head over to Ohio to be in the shop first thing tomorrow morning. Today is August 4th. It's a Sunday, 2019. Glad you guys could be here with me. Okay, we're rolling, finally. Kind of been taking it easy today. It's about 4 o'clock in the afternoon already. And of course, we didn't really get shut down till about 4 this morning. Well, by the time I messed with those batteries and everything and went to bed, it was after 5, so I guess we're not really messing around that much. Took an extra hour, that's all. I got plenty of time. I should be over in Ohio. I'm going to stop for fuel in the shower. About 11, somewhere around 11. Yeah, so this is little town of Mount Joy. I think last week when we came through here, they had the car show going on. Yeah, we got about 2.5 miles and we'll be back on the highway. I cleared my engine codes I had earlier, and now we got one back again. SCR system altered or fault detected, and when I looked on my reader before, it looked like a low voltage condition, which we only are running on 2 batteries, but with the truck running, we should be, I mean, the gauge is showing just about 14 volts where it should be. We might have a ground problem, or I don't have the ground on quite right, tight enough or something, or it's not getting a good connection. But it has not put me into D rate, so I'm not going to worry about it too much. Hoping we get this battery situation fixed and get the intake knock sensor taken care of, and I think all our problems will be solved. Keep my fingers crossed, knock on wood. Alrighty, well, we're getting back on the highway. We're just west of Lancaster here on 283. Take this in towards Harrisburg, go up 83 and hit 81 south for about a mile and get off on 322. We're going to go out through State College and get up on I-80. Head out west that way. Alrighty, we're just getting off the highway here in Brookville, Pennsylvania. Gotta get some fuel. Looks like the fuel island's pretty full over there, what I can see. Yeah, we'll get fuel and get parked and have a shower. Yeah, it looks like one fuel island opened down on the end. Unless there's somebody ahead of me around these trucks I can't see. Right, yep. One spot on the end here. Shower number 6. at the TA in Brookville. Big shower, I think it's a handicap shower. It's awful dark in here.
Uh, 73 cabover Kenworth, K123. 123 is the model number, yes.
Yeah. Similar to the Peterbilt of the same year.
Yeah, actually they're sister trucks.
Nice. Appreciate you talking to me.
Thanks.
I like those old cabovers, but I think this one's a little bit more comfortable, for sure. All right, well, we have got our shower and fuel, and we looked at that old Kenworth cabover. Yeah, we're just about to get back on 80 here. Boy, I've been really goofing off today, guys. Wow. See, that's what happens when I don't have a schedule or any times I got to be anywhere. I take my time, dilly-dally. I guess it doesn't really matter. I mean, you know, so now we're not going to get there till almost 1 o'clock in the morning, so guess I'm just sticking to my normal schedule, right? I'm usually a late night driver, I guess. Yeah, we just got off the highway here in Wadsworth. I went to Walmart, did a little shopping real quick, which is up on the other side of the highway. And it is 10 minutes to 2 in the morning. Oh, I'm terrible. I'm terrible when I don't have a schedule to keep to. So I'm about, well, when I originally started out this afternoon, I was going to get here at 10:20 at night. So now it's 10 minutes of 2. Now we did stop for a shower and fuel at the TA in Brookville, and I was there about an hour and a half, I think. I kind of took my time, wasn't in no hurry, and did stop earlier and fly the drone. That was like an hour stop, so yeah, well, I lost some time. And then I just been in Walmart for a while, walking around. This is the old downtown part of Wadsworth that we're coming into right now. Pretty quiet here at almost 2 o'clock in the morning. It's like a nice little town, you know. Alright guys, we're going to call it a night. We're going to end the video here. We are 0.9 miles from our destination. We're going to shut her down and go right to bed tonight. So I want to thank you for joining me here on the Trucker John Show today. I'm glad you were here. Leave me a comment down below. Give me a like. Subscribe and hit that bell. Okay guys, we'll talk to you later. Take care.